Okay, Mr. Davenport, before I run out of gas in my little temporary tank here, just want to show you some things. Alright. Don't know if you can see it or not, but timing right at about 7. Idle RPM is about 800. Let's go to dwell. Dwell is about 25. Correct is 29 plus or minus. It's 27. 29 plus or minus 2. Okay, so we're pretty good there. And then I think you're gonna need some valve adjustments later on, because you're right there at the bottom. Alright. Alright, sir. I think this will probably be about 90% of it. Thank you.